Hey peepers, going to polish the barrel, the feed ramp and hood on my SIG 226. This is a 2000 model. It's in good shape for 2000 model. It's in 357 SIG, as you already know by the name of the video. Got it loaded with some underwood ammo, gold dot hollow points, but let's unload it now. Is unloaded, and we will drop the hammer. Great trigger on this gun, by the way. Single action is very good. So, what's in the wooden box? Well, I had to. Actually, I think I've got it upside down. No, I guess not. I had to go get some new cleaning brushes and rods and mops and pads and all that good stuff. So I'm going to really do this right. To do it, I'm going to be using various grits of sandpaper. I'm going to, of course, put some oil on it. It's going to be wet sanded. 1 or 2 or 3 or whatever kind of oil I decide upon. And after I get through wet sanding it, I'm going to put some mothers on it and use some of these bad boys. Polish it up with the Dremel. You got to be really careful. You can't just start going all willy-nilly with the Dremel. You got to be really careful. So I'll start out with like 400 grit sandpaper and move all the way up to 3000 grit, and then start with the mothers and the Dremel, and then it should be mirror polished. So I'll see you guys when I'm done. Or actually, I'll stop about halfway between and then show you guys. So let's get to work.